more diversity, more choices in her life than my sister's kids. My sisters could go to university, but by the end of the university, you could be selling napkin in the street. There is no way you can have a job, even if you become a teacher or whatever. There is no way. Life there is no guarantee for you to do anything, even if you finish university, even if you are a doctor, you might not find a job to practice. Canada is really, really a good place. I wouldn't like trade it for a country anywhere in the world. I am very happy with Canada. Even as I tell you a story, the first time I went back home, and I have my sister-in-law, and the people neighbors say, "Oh, where is your brother's wife came from?" And I was saying to them, "I came from Canada." And they say to me, "No, say that you came from America," because people know America a lot, US, so kind of the sound of it better than Canada.